And I think there's two reasons why. Number one, it's not embarrassing to do this company. It's not a traditional MLM. And, no offense, I hate to bring up very successful other MLMs, but when it comes to Amway or an Avon or a Nu Skin, Mary Kay, there's a lot of other ones out there as well, as you know, very successful too. But I don't know if I can do YouTube videos and promote those and have any type of success whatsoever. Have hundreds, if not thousands of people per month just watch my videos, let alone the other people that are on YouTube promoting LiveGood. But the success of our YouTube videos, that's just one thing. But when you look at people actually joining, and the nice thing about our company is that there's a live statistics page. There's a power line where you can actually see people that are actually signing up in real time, kind of like a ticker tape at the New York Stock Exchange. This is the website that you guys can check out. If you want to go to pleasewatchvideo.com, go ahead and just put your email and your name in there,